How to use your Wicked Edge blade stabilizer. This accessory has two components, the blade stop, which replaces your depth key, and the flexible blade support. It comes with two Allen keys, one large and one small. To install your blade stabilizer, you want to first ensure that your vise is in the unlocked position, lever up. Then you want to make sure that these two prongs are lined up with the pins on the front side of your vise. You will simply push forward until the blade stabilizer snaps into place. I will start with the blade stop. To begin, loosen the pivot screw on the blade stabilizer and flip it up and out of the way towards you. Next, I can flip the blade stop up and into the jaws of the vise. Now, this is meant to take the place of the depth key. So instead of using the depth key through those two holes for a narrower blade like this Yongma here, which is less than 1 inch from edge to spine, I am simply going to set the spine of the blade down onto that nice shelf created by the blade stop and clamp as usual. Now, to use the flexible blade support, I'm going to begin with my actual knife brace flipped up towards me out of the way. I will then clamp my long flexible blade as usual with the belly of the blade at about the back of the vise. Whether or not I use the blade stop depends on the knife itself. Taking my blade support in one hand and my large Allen key in the other, I am going to put the blade support's V-notch on the spine of the knife as close to the handle as possible. I will then tighten down the pivot point as much as I can. Your flexible blade should have a lot less play in it now, but as always, use very gentle strokes and let the weight of the stones do the work for you. If you want to use the blade stop as a standalone unit, all you have to do is take your small Allen wrench and remove the set screw from the bottom of the unit. You can now remove the knife support and reinstall the knife stop back in place to use on its own. Feel free to reach out to support@wickededgeusa.com with any questions, and happy sharpening.